You got weak mobile processors, integrated graphics that choked on simple video files, and thermals that caused the machine to slow to a crawl within minutes of running a heavy task. But behind closed doors, Apple was executing a long-term plan to completely break the laws of desktop physics. That plan has officially culminated in a piece of hardware that completely upends the price-to-performance ratio of the entire tech industry. It is the Mac Mini powered by the M5 architecture. This is not just a standard, routine upgrade designed to keep a product line alive. This is a highly calculated, aggressive takeover of the desktop computing space. Apple has packed a level of computational speed and architectural efficiency into this microscopic chassis that directly challenges flagship desktop systems costing 3 to 4 times as much. If you're sitting there looking at an older computer wondering when the absolute perfect time to upgrade is, or if you are tired of watching your current setup stutter through basic creative projects, you need to understand exactly what this machine does. Because the Mac Mini M5 does not just lower the cost of entry into high-performance computing. It completely rewrites what is possible at this physical scale. To truly comprehend how this tiny machine achieves such terrifying performance, you have to look past the minimalist aluminum exterior and dive straight into the underlying silicon architecture. Traditional computer systems are built like a scattered city. The processor sits in one spot, the graphics card sits in another, and the system memory is slotted into a completely separate area on the motherboard. Every single time your computer wants to perform a task, data has to travel across physical distances through narrow circuit pathways. This creates a massive, unyielding bottleneck that generates immense amounts of heat and wastes precious milliseconds. Apple looked at this decades-old design and threw it completely out the window. The M5 chip is a highly advanced system on a chip, utilizing a hyperdense, next-generation transistor layout that integrates the central processing unit, the graphics processing unit, the neural engine, and the system memory into one single, microscopic piece of silicon. They have completely eliminated the distance data has to travel. By utilizing a hyper-fast, unified memory architecture that sits directly alongside the main compute cores, the M5 chip achieves memory bandwidth speeds that make traditional desktop RAM look incredibly slow. When you launch a massive program, compile millions of lines of code, or scrub through a high-resolution video timeline, the graphics processor and the central processor access the exact same memory pool simultaneously with zero latency. There is no duplication of data, no waiting for files to transfer across a motherboard, and no system stutter. The machine responds with an instant, almost jarring fluidity that alters how it feels to interact with a computer. The core layout of the M5 silicon inside this Mac Mini is an absolute masterclass in balanced engineering. It splits its work across highly specialized performance cores and efficiency cores. When you are writing emails, browsing complex web pages, or streaming media, the machine routes those tasks to the efficiency cores, which consume an unimaginably small amount of electricity. But the exact millisecond you throw a heavy computational workload at it, the high-performance cores engage with incredible force. We are talking about compiling massive software architectures, running complex scientific simulations, and rendering heavy visual effects concurrently without the machine even breaking a sweat.